Sir, testing templates. Today you are taking session on testing
Yeah, okay.
or JMeter.
All meters.
All meters?
Sorry.
अरे प्रोजेक्ट तो नहीं चालू हो रहा.
Now it is after some time.
नहीं ते तिकडे कर.
हाँ.
ते तिकडे कर ना.
तिकडे चौकड़ी
हाँ.
कौन?
अभी नहीं चाहिए.
अरे wait for some time.
तो बंद कर दो गरम हो
वो खींचना है क्या नीचे? अरे
लाइन आए अभी नहीं पर
First I will tell about correlation. Actually, we are told you about correlation.
पूजा होता है
And tell me the definition. Whatever you know, tell me.
please sit and पूजा will explain
Pooja, tell me. Last day before yesterday, I told you. Okay, I think. No problem. The correlation concept is there in performance testing in load runner and JMeter. Well, correlation definition is nothing but is the process of defining relationships between variables or entities. Okay, okay. Okay, Kalyan, you know about session ID, na? Yesterday we are discussing, day before yesterday. Actually, suppose Yahoo Mail, if you log on to Yahoo Mail application, a session ID will be sent to the browser from the client. Client means browser. A session ID will be created. Suppose you leave Yahoo Mail for some time like that, session ID will be expired and you cannot continue. Again, you have to log in. For Gmail, session ID will not be there. Suppose in LoadRunner or JMeter, we start recording. LoadRunner, we do recording in Vuegen. Suppose now we are discussing JMeter. JMeter, we do recording with HTTPS recorder. Suppose when we when we want to start recording in JMeter, we are using suppose Mozilla browser. Whenever we want to start recording in Mozilla browser, the browser will send a request to the server. Suppose when we want to, after we click start button, a request will be sent from the client to the server. When we start recording, the client tells server that I am going to start a session. I am going to start a session for recording. Please authenticate it like that. Suppose a client sends a request to the server. Server accepts that request and provides some session ID, assume like XYZ like that. Okay, again client will receive this session ID and session ID will be stored in script. Again when client starts recording, the same session ID will be sent to the server for authentication. If the session ID is set, server will accept the session ID. If server accepts session ID, we can start recording. Suppose I have done recording on Yahoo Mail homepage. Yahoo Mail homepage or some KPDL page. After my recording is finished, that means after I click stop button, a script will be generated. I am generally talking about LoadRunner. Because in JMeter script will not be generated. Suppose some script is generated. We want to see whether it is running fine or not. When you click run button, when any errors, we want to check whether any errors are there. Running means replaying. Suppose again when we want to replay the script, again the request is sent from the client to the browser that I want to replay the script. Suppose when you want to replay the script, a request will be sent to the server, but session ID will be same, XYZ only. If we send the same session ID to the server, server will reject it. because same session ID, we are sending the same session ID. Someone to avoid this problem, suppose if we want to another session ID, we have to generate another script. It is not possible. That's why we want to parameterize this same session ID whenever this XYZ session ID is sent to the server. Ankush understood or not? Again I will repeat it now. Suppose when you go to ATM, suppose assume you are going to ATM and you click some debit card. You want to withdraw money. After some when you keep card, a request will be sent from the client to from the browser to the server. Here browser is that displaying what is displaying. Session ID will not display it on the screen, but the server will take it. Suppose while you are doing any transaction, withdrawing money, you got any important call, you are talking in between. After some second, session ID will be expired. Again, without taking card, you are again withdrawing money, it will not accept. For the same transaction, it will not accept. Again, you have to cancel and again you have to, then another session ID will be generated. The same session ID we cannot do on the same session ID. Here also during recording, any recording, be load runner or JMeter. When we start recording in a browser, session should be started. Session means whatever we are doing on the browser. Suppose I am recording it started, request should be sent from the client to the browser. That I am starting session. It will provide a session ID. First, when you send a request to the server will provide some session ID, some AXYZ like that. So client will take it and put it in some script only. So after recording is over, when we want to replay the script, when we want to run the script, again the request will be sent to the server. But the same session ID is going to the server. So same XYZ is only going. If we want another session ID, it's not possible manually. Tool will not generate another session ID for the same script. We have to do it manually. Suppose that's why without getting another session ID, you are parameterizing this same session ID and sending again to the server. Suppose parameterizing means replacing value. Suppose in parameterizing, load runner will give whenever we find AX, Y, Z, you can replace it 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, or A, B, C, D. We are not removing the session ID, we are adding A, B, C, D. Then we are doing some modifications to the old session ID and giving it to the server. The server will accept and we can execute it. Did you understand?
Practically.
Yeah, practically we have to do. Load runner, practically it's not possible. I think JMeter only complicated a little bit, not complicated, little bit. So load runner we have 2 ways to do correlation. It's not necessary, but I am telling for some manual correlation and auto correlation. 99% of the times we don't do autocorrelation because even if we execute in script, while doing execution that script will fail if you do autocorrelation. That's why we do manual correlation only. Suppose earlier lights only is better. Like pub. No, it's not visible or what?
Yeah.
Earlier it is not visible with this lights video. So manual correlation is actually whenever any person who learns loader for the first time, to get dynamic value, we have to like WinDiff. In JMeter also, dynamic value means always changing value. We can't give differentiation IDs for the same script. We have to give the same value. Value is changing means dynamic value. If I tell you orally, you will not understand. Sir, JMeter will have, suppose we will do JMeter only. Recording I will show.
Sir, this theory is too boring. Seriously, we can start with practical now. We'll come to understand.
Tomorrow also I will take correlation. Today I will show recording. Without recording you can't do correlation.
But practically we can understand more.
That's what I am saying. Before correlation you have to do recording now. I will show you recording today. Okay, you are feeling very bored. But Manoj will ask me if I don't. In correlation in JMeter, as you know, you are expert in JMeter.
I'm not expert. I'm not expert. I'm just saying.
Test plan. We had user threads.
So we can directly start with practical.
No, I had to. Even they don't.
No, we can.
No?
We did that much test plan and creation of threads.
After this, I will. Language.
ते चालू आहे ना प्रोजेक्ट
अच्छा ते खाली घ्यायचं का?
After
तिकडे कर.
language is there. Nilma. I will not do it. This is your laptop or Ankush's laptop? This is your mouse. It's off. Okay, I am afraid to lose it. Now say there are some other transaction just disabling it. Or you can keep in workbench. Mozilla is there.
हाँ.
Already open. Proxy is set. Sir, easy message to add HTTP request. That's why I made it.
ब्लर क्यों दिख रहा है इतना?
You only set script.
क्या करूँ?
और आगे बेटा
नहीं बे.
ये मतलब
ये नहीं
हाँ ठीक है.
ई से तो बंद होता है.
It's okay.
नहीं.
ये तो लास्ट वाला कोई तो है
क्लियर नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है ना.
ठीक है.
और फिर वो नहीं है
See, you know all this. Kalyan, you also know.
Which one?
This adding
हाँ. Request.
last time you were absent. I am adding a non-text element for the text. HTTP report. Google, why you are laughing?
Actually, I.
Maybe I will also know. You keep 5 users. HTTP request. Default it will get method. If you have any path, you can mention here. If you are working on Gmail, you can mention Gmail path here. Suppose defaultly it comes a HTTP protocol. Suppose you are using HTTPS, you have to mention here Jiffy. Jiffy is HTTPS.
Yeah.
Actually, since this JMeter is a non-functional tool, load testing tool, for any functional tool like UFT means QTP, whatever you do on the screen, it will be recorded. I mean, whatever the actions you do on that home page, Google page, it will be recorded. But since this is a non-functional tool, load testing tool, your actions will not be recorded. Whatever request you are sending to the server, that are recorded by the proxy. That's why generally it will be set to use system proxy settings. I have set here like manual proxy configuration set to port number, default port number 8888. Since this proxy will I mean whatever request they are going to the server, proxy server will catch that actions and it will display on the it will catch that actions and it will display it on screen. I mean, general thing in terms of request, HTTP request. Okay, I mentioned default it 8888. Whatever action you do on the screen, it will come under this. You can check here recording controller. After your recording is over, you can check here all your actions will be recorded here. Now there are only default actions. Okay, we will add summary report. Default, it's coming. I will start recording. It's a default message, it will show every time. You can read if you want. See whatever I have.
Sir, how to set Chrome ka proxy?
No, I have never said.
Go to Chrome setting
Whatever you can use from here.
and go in advanced.
You can. Whatever you want, you can do it just for recording. We are sending all requests to the server will be recorded by proxy. Very slow. It's like old time clock. So you will stop it. See, two requests are generated. During recording, two requests. We'll run it. So you want test requests are passed. Start time, thread name, status. Latency means response time. So we're checking tree. Response. Summary report will show samples and standard deviation time. Where error percentage 0. No error. Throughput means number of transactions per second. Transactions means each line in the script. Suppose you are executing Yahoo Mail page. The username is one transaction or iteration. Password is one iteration. That submit button. Again, if you click compose button, it is another. Meaning prescribed time, how many transactions it is executing. That is throughput.
While recording, what it has been recorded in that?
Sorry?
What is the purpose of recording?
No. While you recorded for Google, no?
Hmm.
So what thing get recorded in JMeter? Means API or, for example, using Selenium IDE, when we record, elements get recorded. In
See
this,
Here it is detecting some detect portal Firefox.
no, what exactly it records? API request or what?
Not API request. Whatever you click, suppose I click the Guru 99. If I click Guru 99, the request will be sent to the server. Whatever.
So API requests are only recorded. No?
Then we can call it as API. In API also we check, we give request and check response. I did not understand what.
Actually, ये जब भी रिकॉर्ड होता है ना, तो उसमें क्या रिकॉर्ड होता है? What it records?
Okay, generally, whatever request we are, whatever action we are doing, that it is sent to the server in terms of request. That actions will be recorded in terms of request.
Request and response only, no?
Response also. It's like API thing only.
So it not record elements and all, clicking things.
No,
Click button, it will not record that.
No, it will not record.
It gets recorded, no?
Huh?
It gets recorded, no?
But on click element कुछ रिक्वेस्ट तो जाता होगा ना?
वो सिर्फ API का
नहीं, URLs पे record होता है, right?
No, I did not understand.
No, actually we want to understand what it records. हम लोग record करते हैं, we record the whole actions. So while that time, what the JMeter exactly records?
I mean, whatever request we are sending to the
उसका
server.
कनेक्शन देखिए उधर होता है लैपटॉप में.
वो भी बनने को बोला.
क्या?
Mouse.
स्क्रीन है उधर लैपी पे.
ये तो बंद हो गया ना, ये तो भी नहीं
गर्म होगा तो बंद होता है वो.
या उसका ढक्कन बंद कर देते हैं.
ये बना था जरा.
See, I have given only some text now after clicking Google button. I have given some Guru 99 that will be sent to the server. I have clicked two tests, software testing help and Guru 99. That text is sent to the server. Whatever I did, the clicking and checking, that is not recorded. The main thing, whatever I
So next time when we play that things, so on basis on what the same things are going to.
if you want to replay it. Here replay is not possible in JMeter. Replay means just we have to click again the run button.
Okay, so we can record only and check the response.
Yeah, we can
Only
click
for
check.
one time.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे
आ गया.
Whatever you do, you are giving request and checking response.
Yeah.
In JMeter, with that we are checking latency time. I mean,
So
After
there is
ten-
no use of. We can we don't reuse that. We cannot reuse the test cases once we record.
no, I don't think so. No. It's not manual testing. In performance testing, we cannot do like that.
So please try with the Jiffy.in.
Yeah.
Load.
Okay, I'll do. Tell me loudly.
No, then what they
हाँ काय होतं माहिती आहे
Here we are giving request and checking response in all Jiffy.
whatever is clickable it reports, right? Whatever is clickable, even if it is a link, even if it is
If
a
we
link.
search anything in search bar,
But it will record request, no, not element.
हाँ रिस्पॉन्स देखने के लिए एक बार के लिए वो यूज होगा.
ठीक है नेक्स्ट टाइम
But on click ना, if you click any feed, so
Then I will do Jiffy also.
there will no request ना.
नहीं तो एक वन टाइम यूज है.
नहीं सपोज वेबसाइट है अभी तूने सब क्लिक करके रिकॉर्ड कर दिया ठीक है क्लिक करके रिकॉर्ड कर दिया सब रिकॉर्ड हो गया तेरे पास एक टाइम में जब तू नेक्स्ट टाइम तेरे को बिल्ड मिला तो वो टेस्ट स्क्रिप्ट को रन करेगी ना सपोज कोणती लिंक बंद आहे तर तुला तिथे लगेच एरर येईल रिस्पॉन्स मध्ये जी आता चालूच होते होतं ओपन केल्यावर दिसतं
तेच विचारते की काय रेकॉर्ड होतं त्याच्यामध्ये.
जे पण APIs आहेत लिंक्स आहेत ते सगळे रेकॉर्ड होतात
अच्छा टेक्स्ट फील्ड में कोई लिंक रहते हैं.
उधर कुछ तो आता है एक फॉर्मेट में जिसका आता है उसका आता है
See, we will do Jiffy. Tell me Jiffy. In
Jiffy.in.
the API also, what we either do it manually or so we it any tool. JMeter also, we are checking request and sending request and checking the response only.
Yeah.
And again we are adding some assertions. JMeter is all about request and response only. Tell me Jiffy UAT.
Jiffy.in.
Sorry?
devweb.jiffy.in.
Okay.
क्या
This is dev.
हाँ
The note पूरा 50
What is it?
नीचे बाहर जाऊंगा तो Jiffy.in पूरा 10 लाख का
Your language is
वो भी कल
KPDL है. KPDL.
डेव तो
मेरी
मेरी
HTTPS वाला लेता नहीं है क्या वो
नहीं
ए ट्राइन क्रोम
सर्वर नॉट फाउंड
ए
सर
लेन नॉट कनेक्टेड लेन वाईफाई
कोणी काढला
तूने किया ना मैं सर देखा
What happened?
सी डिड इट
she removed the LAN
No,
I
sir.
don't like it. I will become comedy. Last time also.
Actually, I was checking that. I don't remove it.
Okay.
कंटाळा आला ना बाहेर.
Again, we have to do. Even JMeter, I don't like it. Nothing to do. It should be challenging. Only load runner is.
very good
It's load runner. Half of my hair is gone.
you only told load runner is easy
Easy. I never JMeter.
you said last time that
I mean, for me it is easy.
then we can also make it easy
The recording control.
sir try to record through the templates now I don't know how to record through templates
Which templates?
go to file
Which templates?
go to file
Recording templates are already provided in JMeter.
JMeter you cannot do everything you want.
If we go to file, there is one template.
Which template?
recording template only
There one option in
That
file
one.
section.
no
Using JMeter only.
There one option in file section.
no need to add these all those things manually if we click on template now
Okay, we'll do that. I think it's over. Mary?
Lord.
Lord Joystick Lab.
only for path. HTTP only, no? Maybe. Okay.
The result will generated through the in previous recorder. No?
Oh,
Why we are adding this second recorder?
sorry, I disabled it now.
Okay, but
We are recording for new site. No?
तो उसमें भी आता है.
We can use it, but why again? I wanted to use a new one. Tell me username.
KPTL
Tell me password.
and delete joystick laptop.
Tell me password.
KPTL hash 2018.
Sorry.
KPTL hash 2018. No, why?
Speak loudly.
Whatever you want.
Change होना रे तो
चेंज करते करते ऐसा लगता है कुछ तो और है.
सबसे बेटर ये इन्वेस्ट का इससे बेटर.
Good.
है ये ना.
अजीब हो सकते हैं.
Simple script. Shit.
क्या दिक्कत?
शेअर सब नसते पण शेअर चालते.
नहीं हम लोग शेयर में नहीं करते, हम डेट में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. हम डेट में
तो मैं भी करूँ.
हम डेट बॉन्ड
इसको तो आर्टिकल
Not even one request has sorry.
स्टार्ट नहीं किया था अपन ने.
ये तो आई थिंक
No, I stopped.
ओके
I stopped it.
तो
इनसाइड में बग है.
Yesterday also it was not working. Okay,
Do it for another site.
okay, we'll do Jiffy. Tell me.
No, redo for Investica.
Good.
Again,
Do it for
Sachin will send me a message.
Just put some links.
No, we are not putting load now, we are just checking.
Don't use that live site.
Okay, we'll do Investica. Tell me.
uat.investica.com.
fine. Now with this time, I will do Sachin. This is not working.
So,
Oh no.
oh, yo, no.
What?
I know it is.
Dev dot.
Away.
अरे वो dev वाला है ना बाबा.
नहीं.
Some
UAT
server
is fine. ये तुम्हारा लैंड निकला फिर से.
नहीं है कनेक्टेड.
Plan है.
uat.investica.com.
Do second.
You are saying the same.
हाँ वही है.
But it was refusing.
Dot in.
एबे.
Access करनी. Access करेगा मुझे.
अरे इसका होस्ट एंट्री नहीं होगा.
ठीक है investica.com.
Host
investica.com. Remove
Post
UAT.
entry करते हैं.
Probably server is using connection.
Invest.
डाल दो ये सर.
.com.
It is live one.
हाँ live है.
चले.
Probably server is using the connection. Why? नहीं तेरे proxy set के लिए मना.
It's not any problem with
हाँ your land ढीला हो गया. हाँ. That problem is check the proxy settings and make sure that they are correct.
टाइम Chrome browser.
को मैं open होगा. Maybe वहाँ पे proxy set की इसमें भी होगा.
Right.
But मेरे क्यों आ रहा है फिर open?
Like that.
अच्छा लाइव से कैसे होगा?
Search on Google browser maybe.
Which one?
Investiga.com.
No, like
It is not refused now.
she's working, but that is refusing.
Yeah, this industry is not.
लाइव है ना हे
हाँ,
No, actually.
Yeah.
it's fine.
Okay, start.
Login. Tell me fast.
M0
Live.
1662
62.
choice at 1 2 3.
Password.
Okay, open. So type push कर.
Send text message.
Live. Obvious.
You can search anything.
Yes. Any bank name.
LIC.
Try with any bank name LIC or
Disable.
It is taking time.
No, the buttons are disabled. Just go
Okay.
to another page.
open a report card.
बस हो गया ये. Go to site, go to website. Change anytime.
अरे log out.
Change. Click anywhere. Log. वो वीडियो चालू हो गया था. ये पे क्लिक है कि मेरे को ज्यादा था. ठीक है, it's fine.
Again I click to stop. It is also not taking.
Because we don't set the proxy for Chrome now.
No, I have opened it in Mozilla only.
Then only.
Only Google is working, your website. Your projects are not working yet. KBDL.
No, it's working. मैंने किया था.
Jiffy is working.
Investigator was working.
No.
Table connect.
Hey, Kalini, tell me.
Dev web.
devweb.jp.
User Chrome to better.
Nothing but.
Starting
Sorry. Without opening knowledge also we can do it.
Click on Jiffy icon. So we will go.
Yeah.
Jiffy logo. There is a Jiffy logo above login.
Yeah. UAT only. No? See, but Jiffy, so many requests are generated. Only Jiffy is working fine. See, so many requests. I showed in my system also, I showed in yesterday.
Open anyone.
All are images only.
Yeah, and
Yes, why?
Sir, open anyone.
Which one?
Just click on the block.
HTTP headers also is showing.
Headers
Headers and values.
the request is not the request.
See headers. It's storing headers also. No accept language, value, accept encoding.
पासवर्ड एनरोल पण होतं.
हाँ.
API पण येते.
Available
नाही येत पण येते.
अरे जो भी कंसोल आपकी रिक्वेस्ट जाती है ना, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, सिलेक्ट करते हैं एक्सेल उसमें ओनली जितनी एपीआई होती है वो दिखाई देती है, बाकी पीएनजी बहुत सारी फॉर्मेट होती है, तो यहाँ पे सब भी आ जाते हैं,
यहाँ पे इतनी API नहीं है.
है ना.
मुलींचा
ये
असणार ना दिसतो
लोगो स्टॅटिक
आणि इव्हन युजरनेम आणि पासवर्ड पण दिसतो.
मग ज्या पेजवर जितके असेल इमेजेस वगैरे सगळं हे करून टाका.
हाँ, बट ये सभी पीएनजी और वो है ना एपी ना है,
आणि फाईल सगळं रेकॉर्ड करून ठेवते.
एपी ना
See results, you can see table format also.
सर होते ना अकाउंट ओपनिंग वाला है शायद ऊपर 22 नंबर
Response data.
लॉगिन करता है ना तो तभी भी सब आता है.
See, you can for this one.
Yes.
Actually, this tool regxr.com. It is used for identify dynamic values. Correlation.
How will you identify?
Tomorrow I will see. You can copy this response data. So whichever is repeating more number of times, it can be said I will require most number of times. Which word is repeating when it is response data. We'll see. Only one match. Here we can write any expression. Here we can paste any text. Whichever is repeating more number of data, that is dynamic value, and we should parameterize that. Again, we can put in that response data and we can run it. See, 15 matches are there. 15 times it is repeating in this text. This can be said as dynamic value which is repeating
So
number
what
of
is the
times.
purpose of this recording? Means what test cases or scenarios we have to consider while recording?
And what scenarios means?
Means we are doing the recording for some actions. So what we can check?
Suppose if on Jiffy homepage I recorded, I did not record login part. Suppose for if I do record the login part, username and password of friend, how much time it is taking to log in into Jiffy? Latency time. I mean, what is the throughput for that? I will show. Let's see here. Latency time. It is milliseconds.
But we never
How much
require all
time it
those
is needed
things
to
now.
connect? Huh?
We never require all those things, latency and all. Rarely we require these things now.
Rarely means?
Latency and throughput.
Rarely
Mostly-
every time latency will come there.
But what is the use? Latency and throughput.
Latency time means response time.
It's fine, but all projects are not using this now. Latency, throughput. Matlab,
Suppose your Jiffy
it
is
is
there.
not that much required now.
No, we are asking what are the important scenarios that we should record for using JMeter.
Whatever important requirement we get, we should do load testing.
She is talking about recording. What is the advantage?
How can we implement in our project and what is the use for?
Use means how we are checking the load time. Since you are doing it internally now, suppose after that this project is delivered, users start using it. Suppose assume that 10,000 users log in at the same time. If it is perfect load testing is done, it will not hang. Suppose
But we can do load testing using that API. We first write script for API. Then we that is only one
in
time
API
activity.
response time is not coming.
Yeah, it's coming.
In JMeter it will come. Other tools it is not showing the latency time.
No, but I am asking about JMeter.
Yeah, that's what I am saying. It's in JMeter API testing latency time will not come.
But
We are checking only functionality testing in API.
these all are PNG files in
Are not required. No?
which are not required.
Just I told you an example and we will not do this. For example, I showed you.
Other than latency and throughput, what we can check?
Mainly latency only.
This is the only advantage of recording.
Yeah. Compared to load runner, little bit disadvantages.
Okay, the latency time will be same for every time. I mean,
We can't tell.
for single user.
No, it will not be the same. Suppose I and Ankush will go to some ATM and withdraw money. For me, it will take 2 seconds. For Ankush, it will take 2 minutes. Means it is not perfect. The machine is not working properly.
Suppose I put the load of 5 or 10 users.
Okay.
How the latency time will change?
Latency here and we can do it.
But recording is totally different now than वो HTTP request में load डाला है.
No, I did not understand what it is.
Even I've not.
So you have recorded of one session, right? One web page
For one user.
Yeah.
for one user. How you can say that 10 users are getting the same thing?
If I put
If I'm getting for one user only, then even
Yeah,
this also is
I
not
agree.
getting.
Given here 10 users, not one
Okay.
user.
for 10 users, the latency is suppose 500.
Yeah.
If I put 500 users,
Okay.
after recording,
Okay.
latency time will change.
Definitely it will change. 500 users means 500 concurrent users you cannot do at the same time now.
Okay.
So you should ramp up. That's why here ramp up now. Why it is specified ramp up means for every 1 second. Suppose here we have given 10 users. For every 1 second, one user increase. It is ramping up. 10 users load will not put at the same time. Now concurrently it is not giving the same load. It is ramping up step by step. First it will one user will log in. Again it is ramping up within 1 second time. That's why I given a ramp up period in seconds. For every 1 second, one user will add. So
Check for one user now.
suppose 5,000 users means. Suppose it will not happen. Now it is not happening. 5,000 users meet will not be done at the same time. Now for every 1 second, one user will.
And it counts at a one time.
Sorry?
If it counts in one time,
No, I did not understand that.
5,000 users comes to Jiffy at a one time, then what?
No, that's what I am saying. If we should check before releasing it to the customer, we should check with 5,000 users. Whether for 5,000 users it is working fine, it's going to hang.
So did you find that 5,000 users?
No, for at a time then we can't. Server will get down if you check 5,000 users.
No, but you have to check it out, no? Because it's share market and at a time there is some news.
Yeah.
All traders
Yes.
rush to one script only at a one time.
But just doing for I'm telling for the session purpose.
But
Knowledge.
how do we do? No, see, server should be prepared. It should be prepared now only.
Last time only when I did security testing, I
Hmm.
told Ankit and Sachin before only. But after that I did security testing, at the time of security testing server was little bit down. After the Sachin asked me, when we scan logs were coming from your system only.
And he said he don't check for live sites. Use
No, I did not
UAT.
check live sites.
Oh, live site पे था वो load.
Why? We are doing only for UAT.
But what happens internally वो UAT का live पे point
In
होता
that,
है.
you remember in our security
हाँ,
testing meeting,
हाँ.
you can check for live also, no problem, he told me.
वो कुछ
No, Sachin will not remember what he said.
don't-
But I remember,
Never
even after
live.
10 years, I remember. I remember 13th, I think, 13th of October, November, we were discussing here on the security testing.
Never use.
Huh?
Don't use live site. Even it is UAT
He only told
confirm
me.
with कल्याणी.
Huh?
अगर UAT का भी होगा तो कल्याणी के साथ कंफर्म करना because live पे point होता है वो. उस दिन
Ankit,
server-
I told Ankit.
No,
नहीं,
sometimes
वो लोग-
now what happened? The UAT Jiffy that is pointed to live only. If you thought that it's UAT and you tried on that, but it is live, it is connected to live server.
But I told Ankit before only.
Yeah.
नहीं, they are busy with their work. वो हाँ बोल देते हैं हो गया.
But I don't know the scenario.
Saying I'm just saying.
Well, sir, before doing testing, you have to get the
No, I said 2 to 3 I asked Ankit, I am starting with it.
Did you test? Did you ask the proper person? Ankit said okay. You have to cross verify.
Hasan.
Anyone. I'm not telling.
Yesterday also I asked before setting
No,
up.
dev is only always pointed to UAT, but sometimes they point dev also
Okay.
live server.
Okay.
So this kind of query you didn't get it.
Sorry?
This kind of query you didn't get it.
I did not about it.
You didn't get the KT of this kind of things.
नहीं.
No.
You didn't ask anyone.
Actually, I don't know. I am going to do security testing before I join. Suddenly it told me start security testing. Okay, I will do.
There are many things before joining. We have not tell you. You have to do it in future.
No, I do. That's why I asked Sachin and Ankit. Couple of times I asked them, should I do security? Any problem with me? No problem. That's why when I mailed Yogesh sir also, I told me I will do live event during non-business hours. And we should do on Saturday or Sunday. And that is the main problem. During weekdays, we are using Jiffy Investigator.
It's not like that.
The
That day what
application is
happened-
not stable.
No, that day what happened? You scanned the Jiffyka website, right?
Yeah.
After that, you close the browser.
GP.
You close the browser, right?
Yeah.
But process was running in the background. That's why heats are coming to the server or server down हो गया.
Okay. That's why a stable environment is that only.
You didn't stop the process. You closed the browser, but process was running in the background.
Okay, no.
That is the issue. The server was totally down.
We on Thursday, last Thursday.
After that, Sachin pressed your IP. Then he comes to know.
No,
that-
no, I did the security testing from 14th to 16th of.
No, he pressed your IP.
After 10
that he
days.
came to know.
Okay.
Okay, this session is for JMeter or what is going on now?
Jenny.
Jay,
But you have booked the session for
yeah, I will
something
tell them
else.
now. I tell them after this. I tell them.
Okay.
This automation, I mean, load testing is important than manual testing. Neil will just do it. I will not. How many days it took to repair this?
It is not repaired, it's just removed the screws.
Yeah, it's about last.
Just to install it. And just duster नहीं है क्या?
Yeah, no problem.
Sir, you have to ask for the duster. Yeah, सभी बातें कहा.
Traceability matrix.
हाँ? हाँ, देखा
हमको
template.
चाहिए. When I joined, I sent you this template. You have an idea, Bhuja, और कुछ traceability matrix का मालूम है क्या?
सबको मालूम है क्या?
No. I mean,
Yeah.
Theoretically, we don't.
Traceability matrix is mapping the requirements. Mapping the requirements to every page of SDLC. From start of testing to end of testing, we can use the traceability matrix. In software development, wherever we can use in every phase of software development life cycle, from execution requirements, writing test cases. I mean, here, suppose here we are mapping. Generally, we use traceability matrix for mapping requirements to test cases. By this traceability matrix, we will know how many test cases are passed, failed, or how many test cases are blocked or rejected. So, for suppose how many defects are raised for one specific test case. So we can identify by this traceability matrix. It's the process. Traceability matrix is the process to review and map test cases. And you can also say as documenting in interview purpose, we can say documenting all links between user requirements given by client, user requirements given by clients, and the system build. Whatever requirements given by the client, I mean every requirement we are testing it or not. I mean, suppose client has given you 10 requirements to test. Through traceability matrix, we can know each and every requirement tested properly or not. For every test cases, any defect is raised. If defect is raised, how many defects are raised? I mean complete test coverage. Through traceability matrix test coverage. Test coverage means suppose I have 100 requirements and I have written 80 test cases. But these 80 test cases are all covering 100 requirements correctly. I mean, we have covered all the requirements through 80 test cases only. Suppose assume that 90 requirements are there. We have written 120 test cases. Through 120 test cases, we have covered only some 75 requirements. Then we have not covered all test cases. It is not proper test coverage. Here we have written only 80 test cases, but we have covered all the requirements. Here we can say it is complete test coverage. I mean traceability matrix, there are 3 types of traceability matrix. forward traceability, backward and bidirectional. Starting from requirements to test cases. When each and every requirement is covered properly or not. And whether all requirements are covered properly and proper testing is going or not. In backward traceability reverse, here we are covering from test cases to requirements. In backward traceability, we are covering from test cases to requirements. Here in backward traceability we can check. We are checking only the valid requirements, or we are checking only unspecific requirements also, which is not required. Suppose there are 10 requirements. Suppose the tester is testing 11th requirement also, which is not required, which is not necessary. Through backward traceability, we can know we are testing only the required requirements. We are not testing any unspecific requirements. Bidirectional is combination of backward traceability and forward plus backward. Here we can check for every requirement. We have written only valid test cases, valid and accurate. Here in traceability matrix, we are tracing and mapping every requirement to test cases. Shouted outside.
We have to follow this.
No, it is up to you. I am not forcing.
No. We have to follow what? Yeah, it's traceability matrix. Because we don't get the requirements.
Yeah.
Document.
They generally MNCs and
Yeah,
most-
but in this one.
Yeah, that's why I am not comparing.
So what should we do?
They follow, MNCs follow each and every time this matrix. I mean, each for every release.
For every release, they have separate template. They will follow that.
Okay.
So I send you some record. Should I do it? Urgent. Suppose some business requirement is, business requirement is, testing of Yahoo Mail. Whatever. I'm telling you. Business requirement is testing of. Should I stop now?
No, continue.
यही में वर्क है तो
नहीं, वो बाहर से आवाज आ रहा है ना. Disturb.
no problem. Business requirement is testing of Yahoo Mail. Suppose the manager comes and specifies that some technical requirement. He gives that should check. You should check only invalid values. Then template means I will tell you. Some business requirement or technical requirement or what test scenario you are writing. Test cases covered or defect ID. Business requirement is for this in Yahoo Mail. check only compose button. Sorry, invalid values. Test scenario is testing of compose button in YAML. In compose button we can write first test case we can write whether it is enabled or disabled, or we can another test case that button is properly displayed or not, displayed or available. Whether it's redirecting to another page. Compose means redirecting to.
So traceability matrix is just like checklist now.
Yeah, checklist only.
So how we can write this scenarios there, business requirement and all these things. Do you have template for that?
I sent you last month.
She was asked.
I will tell you. Here the business requirement is checking of Yahoo Mail compose button. Technical requirement means suppose some manager comes and tell you check only for invalid values. Test scenario means in Yahoo Mail we are not checking the whole application, we are checking only compose button. For test cases what means I am writing here. No? First test case we have to check whether it is displayed properly or that button is displayed or not. Second one, first we are doing GUI testing for any test case. And whether it's redirecting to the next page if we click on compose button. In that mail page also, any compose page, every button is properly present or not, enabled, or we have checked many things. That address, body page is properly, all fields are properly enabled or not. You can write 5 to 6 test cases here.
Sir, in MNC they provide technical requirement.
Based on client.
We have to do that only.
Yeah, in any company, actually not Charge Tech Lab. Wherever you go, requirements have to be mentioned by the client. Otherwise, we can't do. Evidently, this is the application. You should do this. I want this testing or this development.
Okay, here we are doing whatever we
Yeah,
want.
actually, in
We are doing exploring.
MNCs, most some MNCs use a tool called Remedy tool. In Remedy, generally they use, but after logging into this Remedy tool, they will raise a ticket. Ticket means they will in that tool, ticket means there you can mention the tester name, suppose Ankush, and what type of work we have given, and the date of completion, estimated date of completion. Suppose after Ankush completes the task, we will close the ticket. Even the client and everyone can see. Instead of client calling and telling this is the requirement, you do this, we can use this tool, Remedy tool.
Open source.
Yeah, I don't think so. It's little bit commercial only. In Sintel we are using this. Sometimes requirement will be sent by direct mail only. Defect ID means whenever we find defects, you can write here defects. But I have also told you to send mail. If Sachin asks, we can send mail.
We are not doing testing daily,
Suppose weekly status report. Mail means suppose I have written 20 test cases and I have raised some 5 defects.
But
I'm sending you defect report as an attachment. You can.
But in this week we did nothing, then what we can send in mail?
No, all these days you are doing.
We are doing something, another thing.
Suppose every client doesn't want to use some Jira, he doesn't have time to open Jira and see. He can send mails, he can check mails. That is for mail status report. Whenever you get any requirement from the development, you can do smoke testing. I think you are doing this, smoke testing.
You know what? I still don't know I'm little bit confused in smoke and sanity testing.
Yeah, smoke testing means after you get the bill, na, after you get bill, we will check the bill is testable or not,
Okay.
whether it is proper build or not, or any unspecific requirements are there. If the bill is testable, we will accept that bill and put a mail to the development team. We will carry on testing.
So in smoke testing, we check each and everything. I mean,
Not
Major things.
Major things only.
Functionality.
okay.
For example, in Investica, you can check login, then you can check orders, then you can check onboarding.
Okay. So what about sanity?
Sanity testing means whenever we don't have time to check any, important functionality testing, we are checking here also sanity testing. Here we are checking only build is testable or not.
Okay.
Here we are checking only important functionalities.
Okay.
और high level scenarios.
Important.
Elevation नहीं कर रही, उसका जो टेस्टिंग कर रही है वो sanity.
Regression means suppose Yahoo Mail is there. All inbox and this compose button. Suppose you have added another button, any new button. Suppose Ankush, I think assume that Ankush has developed some new button, check button.
हाँ, to check the impact.
Whenever you add, after you add this new button called check, we'll check the important functionalities, whether by adding new functionalities any old functionalities are getting defects or not.
We check only मतलब impacted functionality.
Before we don't know now whether what it has impacted.
ठीक है. I thought regression मतलब सब कुछ टेस्ट करने का, सब कुछ.
No, suppose I will tell you important function. Suppose compose button is not working. In that you have to check that address, body, message body, each and everything.
मतलब related.
Yeah, related. Yes, because main functionality is only not working. That's why we have to check inside also.
Okay. मतलब related to compose button. I thought regression मतलब सब ऐप पूरा का पूरा
No,
test.
no.
Here the definition of regression testing is this.
वो final
हाँ, तो ये कौन सा
For
regression है?
regression means for all that we are checking.
Actually, this even QTP is called regression tool only. QTP is a regression tool.
Okay.
QTP, I mean UFT, Unified Functional Testing. It's a regression tool only. The last time Bad Boy also regression tool only. Bad Boy. So lot regression tools only. Actually, I told Pooja another some timers concept. Timers. Tell me what. Tell me Ankush क्या हो?
कुछ को काम है.
अभी अर्जेंट काम है.
नहीं.
बोलो.
Testing है ना अभी जीपी का.
Okay, should I stop? What is the time?
5:16.
5:15.
Yes.
We started at 4.
Yeah, it's 5:17 now.
Sorry.
It's fine.
Constant timers. Okay, I tell tomorrow.
हाँ. Stop.
Tomorrow or early morning. Will come with 11 o'clock.
Train
I'm
problem.
not comparing. It's your choice. If you come earlier, I will start. Only to come. It's not, I'm not comparing.